we are going to have numerous tornado warnings. In fact, just about every storm that goes up is likely going to have the potential for tornadoes. We're looking at a maximum hail size of 2.0. I want you to notice here on this box, BTI, that is a tornado index, okay? Barron Tornado Index. When this gets up closer to 10, that is the radar indicating a higher likelihood of a tornado. A 7.2 is about as high as we've seen so far today. So as we go through the afternoon, we're going to watch that very carefully. Again, another tornado warning. The initial one is south of Fairview. We have Chance Coldiron, I believe, watching this particular cell. He is near Canton. And Chance, you've got a lowering. What you seeing right now?
Rick, the lowering was a lot more ragged earlier. It's starting to get a little more smoothed out, and we're starting to get better form and rotation in the storm. It looks like it's turning more, coming straight east towards us here. We're 2 miles west of Canton.
Okay, very good information. What Chance is pointing out is a lot of times these thunderstorms, they go up, they start moving northeast, but as they begin to take on tornadic characteristics, they end up turning to the right. So instead of going northeast, they more go in an easterly fashion. So we're going to have to adjust our track as we go along here. But right now, Canton, Chance is in Canton watching this storm. Got a Barron Tornado Index close to 6 on this storm. Sky 5 showing us the view. Do we have a tornado? Is that a tornado right now? This is the storm. They are west of Anadarko. They're north of Mountain View. Sky 5 at least has...
You know, it's starting to turn, okay, Caldwell, so it's hard
that has at least some blowing dust. Coming into that at this point. Sky 5 again live north of Mountain View. Sarah, give us the storm that they are looking at. This is going to be west of the Canada.
Okay,
I think it's going to be this one right here. I think it's going to be this one.
Your far side.
Alfalfa headed towards Eakland. Folks, this is going to be a day where we have a lot of tornado warnings. And focus on your protection.
Say that very often. Zoom in a little bit.
Oh yeah, there's a funnel. There's a funnel. There's a funnel.
I believe we got debris on the ground, guys. We got a tornado on the ground.
Yeah, that's a tornado on the ground.
Look at that. Ah, stop buffering. It's going to be very hard. A lot of people on. It's going to be jittery.
Right now I'm over Canton, just southeast of Canton, looking to the west.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Unless you're there.
Look at that rotation there, guys, on the ground. That's amazing. Guys, please. Keep me up on this storm behind us, because we're starting to get in the rain and a little bit of lightning, and we'll try to keep this shot as long as we.
Looks like this is.
There to the west. You behind me. Yeah, so the radar is where we're at. Okay, I've got us Longdale very close to us. That's probably Longdale right there. Yeah. Where is it? Yeah.
So, KWTV Channel 9 doesn't appear to be doing.
Tornado on the ground, but we're gonna have to.
Yep, that's. Oh my god, it's gonna be a twister.
Good shot there, DUI. Just try to keep it your sides.
Spin right there. And again, this is near Canton. Chance, again, one more time. Is this over Canton? It's north of Canton right now. Is that right?
Northwest side of Canton.
Northwest side of Canton.
Looks like it's
Longdale right now.
probably going to go right up to right over the lake.
Chance, have you seen any debris?
Oh, large tornado, tons of debris on top. I don't. Is my screen not up, Rick?
No, I've got it. I've got it.
Okay. There's your tornado right
Right
in
here.
front of me.
Right here.
Northwest side.
Yeah.
Longdale.
Got a tornado.
Violent tornado.
Okay, Chance, be careful. Stay a good distance from it, but if you can tilt your camera maybe just a little bit to the right.
Tilt it to the right, just a little bit. I got some trees here in the way.
Okay, quickly, while he's repositioning, let's just quickly show this on radar. Again, the storm that we're looking at is right there. Look at the circulation north of Canton. This is going to be spreading into southern sides of Major County. If you live in southern Major County, you need to be in your tornado shelters. There's going to be large hail from near...
They're close.
Longdale up through Fairview. If you live in Longdale, you got to be in your tornado shelters right now as this storm approaches your area. Let's put a storm track on that. It's moving off to the northeast, probably at a pretty good clip, about 45, maybe 50 miles per hour. It'll be into Longdale 325, Homestead 334, Fairview. At 336, Isabella at 341, Chance Coldiron continuing to follow this. Tornado confirmed on the ground, multiple vortex tornado. Ames at 349, Carlisle 356, Mino at 357. So we've got that. And guys, I want to look at the radar, so just tell me if Chance has a picture, we'll go back to him. Let's look at this, Sarah. Let's work our way south again. Here's the storm that Chance is on. This is north of Canton. That's moving on to the northeast. Here's another intense thunderstorm cell with circulation just southeast of Thomas. This is moving on into Blaine County. Let's go up. Let's go take that fall. Let's take this fall. This is the storm near Canton. This will be north of Canton, tornado with debris. A live picture from Chance Coldiron. This is headed to you folks in Longdale. Chance.
Rick,
Talk to me.
People in Longdale need to be in their shelters. This is an EF3 tornado, violent. It just keeps on getting bigger and bigger. It's slowing down speed. It's just 150 yards to my northwest. It's almost stalled out here. It's just getting larger and larger and larger.
Okay, we're going to continue to track this. Guys in the back, let's put a locator on that for the National Weather Service that they know that that's the storm near Canton. Again, tornado on the ground. This is the southwest of Fairview, north of Canton. Look at the circulation. We're continuing to look at the cell right there. This is an intense circulation. This could be the beginning of what could end up being a long track tornado. It's that type of day where these tornadoes are not going to stay on the ground for just a very short period of time. But again, this is northwest of Canton. Large tornado on the ground. Will likely have golf ball to baseball, softball size hail associated with this. That could affect areas just to the north and northwest of this tornado.
Right, very close to that lake right there.
Right there, that's circulation. Longdale, be in your shelters. Fairview, be thinking ahead. Homestead, Isabella, this is going to take a path to the northeast, and it may end up turning a little bit more to the right, which would be more of an eastward turn. We're going to stay with this. Again, northwest of Canton. This is a live tornado happening right now. You can see the debris, the condensation funnel. And unfortunately, folks, I think we're going to see a lot of these today. I think we're going to see a lot of these. This is going to be a full-fledged tornado outbreak across Oklahoma. By far the busiest day that we have had this year, maybe the busiest day we've had in a while. Now, Sky 5 is flying south of I-40. We are also tracking storms in that area. Sarah, let's take a quick tour of this as we see that nothing happening in the metro. But if you live in the metro, you need to be prepared to seek shelter later this evening as thunderstorms become more common.
Absolutely. You know,
all of these thunderstorms, Sarah,
why don't we go down the line here, starting from north to south? We were talking about the one that we just saw. This is the one that we just saw on video, the one near the Canton area. And then a little bit further south, we still have the other thunderstorms that may produce tornadoes between Thomas and Watonga.
Exactly.
Absolutely. And then also the one in and around Binger, across parts of Caddo County here. We're still watching that one very, very carefully as well. That one does look to be showing a bit of rotation, Rick, on the velocities. So, and there's 3 different locations here that we're looking at.
Let's go back just reflectivity real quick, Sarah, and just kind of look at these 1, 2, 3 different cells. Let's go back up here to Chance Cold Iron, north of Canton. Confirmed tornado. Chance, do we still have a tornado? Okay. Chance, do we still have a tornado?
Rick, I'm looking off to my north. I had to turn around and come back to Canton, but I can look off the north and still see a tornado on the ground. I'm trying to get a clearing here. It took power lines down, trees, everything was down on the road I was on. Okay,
we're still
seeing impressive velocities.
Yeah, we're still seeing impressive velocities. Chance, be careful. This thing is headed will likely affect areas very close to Fairview as we go past 3:30. So if you live in southern Major County, you've got a tornadic thunderstorm headed your way right now in northwestern sides of Blaine County. And again, Longdale, you're in the path of this storm. You need to be in your tornado shelters right now. Numerous thunderstorms are going to be the rule today. And we're going to have numerous tornado warnings as well, because all these storms are going to rotate like a top, as we have seen right now. We've got the one near Fairview. Circulation with this one near Watonga right there. That's going to be southwest of Watonga near Greenfield. So tornado warnings in effect for that one. Sarah, let's back out a little bit. Let's put a storm track on this for the folks in Blaine County as to when they can expect the arrival of that for this particular storm. Likely large hail, baseball-sized hail with that storm west of Watonga. And again, the circulation is just to the northwest. That'll be into Fay at 329, Eagle City 342, Roman Nose State Park at 349. Back into the Canton area at 349.